Welcome to Beauty and Beast Handmade Soaps. Today we will be introducing our new seaside soaps and unveiling our new sea glass soap. But first, let's take a look at our collection. So this is Mad Beach soap. It's topped with seashells and has real sand from the beach from Madeira Beach, which it's named after. And it's also colored with turmeric, paprika, French green clay, and kelp powder. Next is our Tropical Paradise soap. This is scented with pineapple, mango, and coconuts to bring you right back to the beach with a drink in your hand. Our Mermaid's Tail soap has an embedded mermaid tail that's teal and dusted with purple and gold mica. It's colored with teal, blue, purple, and green, and it's scented with orange and coconut fragrance oil. We also have something gentle enough for those with sensitive skin. This is our Sea Sponge soap, and the base is whole milk and made with olive oil and coconut oil and scented with grapefruit and peppermint essential oils. Next up is our Life's a Beach soap. It's colored with blues and greens to represent the ocean waves and also has real sand from the beach and topped with sand dollars on top, which was actually made from a mold of real sand dollars from Shell Key Island in Florida. And last, we have our Coconuts and Rain soap. This is made with 100% coconut oil soap and also a drizzle of blue melt and pour soap on the inside. So let's get to unveiling our sea glass soap. So here's the difference between the two loaves. You can tell that there are several different types of embeds on the inside of both loaves. Here's the cut. This is the second loaf of the batch. And give me just a moment. Let me see if I can get a close-up of everything for you so you can try to see the embeds. Okay, so the embeds that you're looking at that are on top and in the middle of the soap, the middle ones were columns that went all the way through the soap. And what I did was took melt and pour soap, melted it down, colored it, and fragranced it. And then I hand carved every single piece that you see that's on top and through the middle. And then before laying them in, I dusted them with silver mica to give it a shine and make it look frosted, just like sea glass. So I'll set these aside for 4 to 6 weeks and allow them to cure along with the other soaps of this collection. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.